Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel TeachTech. In this video, I am going to show you how to increase the size of hard disks for an operating system which is installed inside the VirtualBox. For this example, I have installed Ubuntu operating system and I have allocated 15 gigabytes of hard disks to this operating system. Now, if I want to increase the size of this hard disk, first of all, I have to go to File and go to Virtual Media Manager and select the correct operating system for which we want to increase the hard disk size. We want to increase the size for this Ubuntu. Now, from here, give the proper amount of hard disk size that you want to give. For now, let us increase it by 5 gigabyte and make it as 20 GB. Click on Apply. Click on Close. Now let's start the operating system and see if it actually increases the hard drive. Okay, now let us go to the files, and if you see this on other location, you can see it's only 15.2 gigabyte. Let us go to Start and search for disk. Hit enter. We can see there is a free space of 5.4 gigabyte which we had just increased from our Virtual Media Manager, but this empty space is not allocated on our file system partition. Now from here we cannot add this free space partition to this original file system. For that, now I need to first of all shut down this PC. Now on storage, just click over here on storage section and choose a disk file. Now from here you need to choose the original image file that you have used for installing the operating system. So select the Ubuntu image file and click on Open. Now again turn on the Ubuntu. Select Try or Install Ubuntu. Okay, now go to Start and search for GParted. Open it. Okay, so you get this warning message. Not all of the space available to devs STA appears to be used. You can fix the GPT to use all of this space or continue with the current setting. So you should click on Fix. Now you can see the 5 gigabyte of space is unallocated. Now click on this main partition and select Resize. Drag this to the end, select Resize. So now you can see that the remaining 5 gigabyte of hard disk space is now allocated for the main partition. Click on this green Apply All Operation button. Apply. Close. Okay, now close this screen. Turn off your machine. Okay, so now let's start the machine and see if the unallocated hard disk space is now given to the main partition or not. Okay, let's go to files, other location. So you can see the size of hard disk has been increased. Go to disk. So now you can see that the size of hard disk has been increased to 20.5 gigabyte. So in this way, we can increase the size of hard drive inside the VirtualBox in Ubuntu operating system. So this is it. Thank you for watching the video. See you on the next video. Bye bye. Take care.